Hello everyone, this is Sam from DATEC Studios. In this video, I want to show you how you could transform your text to the shape. Simply just select Type tool and start typing. I change the text color and you could select any font you like. Alright, it is very simple. Just right click on any empty area of the layer and select convert to shape. Now it is shape. For example, I could enable pen tool and start editing. I hold on the control or command key, select top part, hold on the shift key and use up arrow. I hold on the control or command and click on the E, just as an example, and remove these points. Hold on the Alt or Option key and make it corner. Control drag and move it. You see, it is very simple but useful, especially for typography. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.